Alright, we've arrived in Calgary.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do here?
We are going to judge the metal battle tonight. And then we are going to drink.
Yes. Now we're heading to Banff in our rented car. What can you tell me about Banff?
It's beautiful. I've only ever been once, so looking forward to seeing it again.
Made it to Banff. Me and Mr. Banff.
Mr. Banff, howdy, Mr. Banff.
A very small little village founded in, I'm gonna guess, 1884.
Population 7,833. 35 now that means I heard.
Yeah. Well, so we estimate. So we're heading to see the Bow Falls. The vantage point up here. So it's very exciting.
Going up the Jedi's head.
Who are you gonna find up here?
Luke Skywalker.
What was it called where we're headed now?
Lake Louise. I've never been.
Only heard good stuff about it. Oh, look at that view.
Oh, I have seen it. It's on the back of our fucking old $20 bill. I'm like, no, I've never seen this like ever in my life. I've seen it like a million times. Now I know it.
So you want to go walk on the lake?
Let's do it.
It's not that cold either.
No.
Felt like Lake Louise was colder.
It looks colder than it is, that's for sure.
Yeah. So here we are in the middle of the lake. Awesome. Where are we now?
Calgary. We are at the venue.
Called
Dickens is the venue. This is where the battle is happening. We've got 4 battle bands and 1 guest headliner.
And they play what? 20 minutes each? 30?
It is going to be 25 minutes.
25. Alright. So now we're basically just waiting for food. And then we're gonna get the liquid food afterwards.
Yeah, liquid dessert.
August. Over 40 countries participate in the World Finals, including Mexico, South Africa, Bulgaria, China, Japan, and many, many more. Alright, so they're going to be representing Canada in the Wacken Open Air Festival in Wacken, Germany this summer. Joining the ranks of other Canadian artists such as Crimson Shadow, Vesperia, and Profaner. No more delays. The winner of the Wacken Metal Battle 2019 Canadian Final is the Slyde! Yeah!
Thank you.
Say hi to Wacken.
Good morning.
Yeah, you're nice, man.
Yeah, no, it's not as good. No. I have to work on my jersey.